How to fix NVIDIA low FPS or FPS drop? First step, open NVIDIA app, check for available drivers update, click drivers and check for update. Once the download complete after, click install. Depends on you, you can install it express or custom installation. Click it. After installation, search for control panel. Click it. Select view by lodge icon. Select power option. Click plan settings. Click change advanced power settings and click restore plan. Once restoring after, click OK and close it and move on with next step. Search for settings. Click it. Click gaming settings. Click game mode and enable the game mode. If it's disabled means you need to enable it and restart your device. Thank you.